I'm calling because I took the welfare check on my kids and my ex-husband last night, so I haven't heard from them, and they're supposed to contact me.
That's Adam Price's ex-wife listening back to the 911 call she made to check on her children who were later found dead. Thanks for joining us. I'm Bill Shammertz.
I'm Quinicia Fraser. Mary Nielsen testified for more than an hour. Prosecutors charged her ex-husband, Adam Price, with killing Theodore and Emily and then escaping to California and confessing to priests there.
We also heard from one of those priests this afternoon. KETV News Watch 7's Alex McClune is live with the testimony. Alex?
Bill, Quinicia, late today, a priest explained his encounters with Price in California, but his ex-wife's testimony took center stage here at the Sarpy County Courthouse, illustrating a disagreement about the custody of their kids.
She said the kids were in their beds.
A dreadful day for mother Mary Nielsen, who met Adam Price online in 2013, divorced in 2019, and disagreed about the custody of their children in early 2021.
Did the order allow you to have them one week and he would have them the other week?
Correct.
Mary telling a jury she asked her former husband in April to return to an original custody agreement, limiting his time with the kids to weekends and school vacations.
How did he respond?
He said he would think about it.
Days before Emily and Theodore Price were found dead, Mary saying her former husband was emotionally flat on FaceTime.
Generally, he was short, irritated. When I would observe him on the FaceTime calls on May 13th, he was flat and emotionless.
Unable to contact her kids, Mary then alerted local law enforcement to check her ex-husband's home in Bellevue.
My kids are just, their dad's supposed to contact me every day with them, and he hasn't since Thursday.
Police testifying the home showed no signs of concern until Mary's friends took matters into their own hands, following mom's permission to enter the home through the broken front door, finding the children dead inside their beds with no signs of their father, who left for California. Days later, prosecutors say Price approached a priest at a San Francisco church, confessing a sin he struggled to explain.
There were long periods of silence, and I think
The priest saying tonight Price had indicated he had harmed someone in Nebraska but struggled to specify. The judge now hoping details about confession and the Catholic faith don't confuse the jury. Live at the Sarpy County Courthouse, Alex McClune, KETV News Watch 7.